pamilya mo, o ikaw magiging nanay na pamilya sa'yo, pamilya de Costo, ikaw yung mag-lead sa church, ikaw yung sa trabaho, ganito posisyon mo sa trabaho, sa school, o kaya may in-entrust sa'yo na isang sitwasyon na parang feeling mo hirap, alalahanin mo natin si Joseph. Amen? Ang task, it can either be a pleasure or a pressure. It's a pressure or a pleasure. It's up to you how you see it and how you handle it. But one thing is for sure, hindi nagkamali si Lord sa'yo. Di niya ipagkakaniwala yan kung alam na hindi mo kaya. Binigay niya yan sa'yo kasi alam niya, kaya mo. Amen? Alam niya na mapagtatagumpayan mo yan. So stop doubting yourself. Amen? Fathers are called to protect their families. When you say protect, not just physically, but also financially, spiritually. Okay? When you say protect, the father should protect the faith of the family. You pray together, you go to the church together. Hindi ba din, pag-pray mo na lang ako na, punta na kayo sa church na, pag-pray mo na lang ako. Hindi pwede naman. Amen? Dapat ikaw yung mag-lead. The father should protect their values. Dapat ipakita mo yung honesty, yung importante ng honesty, love, respect, integrity, forgiveness. Protektahan niyo po yung future ng mga anak ninyo. Mag-provide kayo ng good education and guidance.